Hello, and a warm welcome to Daily Positive Healing. If you're feeling overwhelmed, anxious, or simply seeking a moment of tranquility, you have come to the right place. This is a safe space to let go, breathe deeply, and nourish your mind with peace. Thank you for choosing to spend this time caring for yourself. Begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Gently close your eyes and let your body begin to soften and relax. Let's take a deep, cleansing breath together. A full, nourishing breath in through your nose, and as you exhale through your mouth, release all the tension you're holding on to. Let it all go. And again, breathe in a sense of safety and calm, and breathe out worry. Breathe out stress. Now, as you continue to breathe, I want you to visualize yourself inhaling a gentle, positive energy. Imagine it as a soft, golden light. And with every exhale, see that energy washing away all your worries and negative thoughts, leaving you feeling lighter and more serene. Allow your breath to be your guide, leading you deeper into a state of inner comfort and tranquility. Now, in your mind's eye, imagine a truly peaceful scene. Perhaps you're in a serene forest with dappled sunlight filtering through the leaves, or on a calm beach, listening to the gentle rhythm of the waves. As you visualize this place, allow yourself to feel a genuine sense of gratitude for this very moment of peace you are creating for yourself. You deserve this. If any anxious thoughts arise, simply acknowledge them without judgment. Notice them, and then, like a cloud passing in the sky, gently let them drift away. And in their place, we will plant powerful, positive affirmations. Repeat these words to yourself, either out loud or in your mind, and feel their truth resonate within you. I am calm and at peace. I am safe and in control. I release fear and welcome peace. Stay in this peaceful state for a few more breaths. Feel the sense of calm and gratitude washing over you, cell by cell. When you feel ready, take one final deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you are ready, slowly open your eyes, feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, and ready to face your day with a renewed sense of peace. You did wonderfully. Thank yourself for taking this important time for your healing. If this moment of peace served you, please support our healing community by subscribing to Daily Positive Healing and ringing the bell so you never miss a moment of calm. You might also love our morning affirmations for a positive day, or our evening meditation to release anxiety. Carry this calm with you. Until next time, be kind to yourself.